What's the meaning of brainiac? Brainiac. Brainiac.
Brainiac. Brainiac. The term brainiac is often used to describe someone who is extremely intelligent or knowledgeable. This slang term is typically used as a compliment to refer to an individual who has exceptional cognitive abilities, excels academically, or possesses significant amounts of information on a particular topic. A brainiac may be someone who is well-read, highly skilled in a particular area, or simply has a sharp intellect. The term can also be used in a playful manner to suggest someone who is a bit of a know-it-all. Overall, being called a brainiac is typically considered a positive attribute.